Good afternoon, Ride Pro here again with a really nice 1989 Honda GL 1500 trike. It is the Champion trike kit, and we acquire a lot of really nice trikes, but this one for a 1989 is in extraordinary shape. The chrome pitting and stuff that usually we see in Florida here is not present on this bike. It does have Bassani mufflers on it. It's a little dark out here because it's fixing to rain. I'm not sure if you can actually see the mufflers. It has a very nice kind of dark teal paint. It does have some custom pinstriping and a wolf and some feathers on the back. That is easily removed if it's not to your liking. The bike does have 40 channel CB. It does have the armrests for the back. Has very nice wheels. The tires are in very good shape on the rear. We just put a brand new front tire on the bike. It does have the add-on highway, they're not pegs, I guess they're highway floorboards. It does have the heel toe shifter. The bike has 56,000 miles on it, and very low miles for a 1989. It does have the air wings, which do a great job of bringing cool air in when it's hot and keeping cold air out when it's cold. Here, I'll kind of zoom in on this brand new front tire. They haven't even worn off the chalk mark on it yet. And like I said, the chrome is in very good shape. And the bike runs excellent. I just took it out for a little ride and put some gas in it, and the bike really runs good. Starts right up. As you can hear, the stereo plays very well. And it doesn't have any kind of stumble in it. The bike runs, stops very well, and for a 1989 model, this really is in extraordinary shape. And then the radio controls are under here. You can have them out like this, or you can cover them up to keep them out of the weather. And then it also does have handlebar controls for the CB, cruise control, and the stereo. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call at 813-615-1700. That's 813-615-1700. We do have discounted shipping as low as starting at $300. If you give us a call and give us your zip code, we can give you exact shipping right to your front door, or you can make it an adventure. You can fly to Tampa International Airport. We will be glad to pick you up, and you can make an adventure and ride your new trike home. That's it for now. Have a great day. Bye-bye.